Here with my friend Dennis. We got his Nova. We did full floors, trunk pan. He had it at another shop. We fixed a lot of metal for him, put it back on its wheels. It's been off its wheels, I guess around 4 years, something like that. Dennis,
5 years.
5 years.
And the guy didn't really do nothing, just ripped the floors apart. I brought it to Gene, and I'm very happy with his work so far. The quality is good, the men are good, and it's coming back for more work around April, and then it's going to be fully painted.
I'm happy that Dennis let us do the work, and my crew of guys, I mean, we couldn't ask for anything better. To what the floor is, check Facebook and see what the car looked like when we got it, and you can really appreciate it where it is now. Dennis, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the spring.
Gene, thank you very much, and to you guys, happy holidays.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Dennis.